I'm Darren Siekman, Vice President of Valley Irrigation. Many of you know that on April 26th, we experienced historic tornadoes here in eastern Nebraska. And as being someone from here, these tornadoes were like something I had never seen before. There was literally over 29 funnels, and what was so different about this storm, they were on the ground for a very, very long time. Some of these storms were on the ground for 30 to 50 miles. The good news was the devastation was low as tornadoes go, and while unfortunately there was one fatality that I know of, there could have been many, many more. However, one of the victims, or one of the downsides of a tornado like this or a storm like this, is we did lose 3 of the 6 pivots here at the Gotch farm. Typically what happens is a strong wind like this will blow the pivot over, and although the Valley pivot is the strongest in the industry, they did incur quite a bit of damage here at the Gotch farm. So while this storm was catastrophic to those of us in eastern Nebraska, unfortunately over our 78-year history, we know that storms strike the Corn Belt every year, and that's where the bulk of our center pivots are and the bulk of the irrigation lies in the United States. So as a result, Valley Irrigation always makes sure to have a storm inventory ready to go each year as a response to those growers that are affected by the springtime events throughout the Midwest. This year it just happened to be right in our backyard, but year in and year out, we utilize our dealers and our distribution centers to make sure that we have equipment right where the farmers need it most. So after an event like this, our first question is always, we hope the asset is insured. So we want to make sure that the grower has the opportunity to interact with his or her insurance agent, and we get the adjusters out. However, the minute we know what the adjuster has said, we want to get our local dealer out and our local territory managers and service people out to assess the damage. In a lot of cases, pivots can be rebuilt. In this case, unfortunately, again, 3 of the 6 have to be completely rebuilt. So that's when we assess, is the design right? Is this an opportunity for an upgrade or an opportunity to maybe change a configuration because maybe crops have changed or the land has changed slightly, and then get exactly what's going to maximize the production on this field. So in this case, it's really exciting. Again, on the Gotch farm, this is where we've really tried to make this a showplace because we know the impact that it has for the viewers. We understand the great partnerships we have with other agronomists and with other seed companies. But even then, we were able to do a few upgrades here to make sure that we've got the latest technology on these center pivots. And what that allows for us to do is to, again, we're going to maximize that production and conserve as many resources as possible. And we're going to do that through things like GPS guidance, the latest of our corner systems, and being connected to the internet or being connected to the cloud. So at that point, that center pivot becomes a giant robot in the field, and you can control it from literally anywhere in the world from your smartphone. Valley is the market leader, and the way we become that market leader is not only with the best products, but absolutely the best dealer force who has the best service force. So what that means is our dealers are rolling trucks within days of an event like this, and the rebuilds happen quickly and professionally because our crews can get a whole center pivot up sometimes in 1 or 2 days. Again, our dealers are used to not only servicing these center pivots in the field, but also constructing and erecting new ones, whether it's from a market expansion or in this case like a storm event. So we know that they have the absolute most efficient, safest practices out there to get that center pivot up and running in no time. The only quote-unquote good news from storms like this is we have been blessed with a lot of rain, and the drought conditions have dramatically improved here in eastern Nebraska. And as you can see, the crop behind me is up and it's looking good. However, we know that Mother Nature a lot of times is not our friend. So as a result, although we've got a lot of moisture now, inevitably when we need it the most, whether this corn's tasseling, whether it gets into the silking stage, or whether it gets into filling the ears, that's when we're going to need water. So we view the center pivot as the best crop insurance that someone can buy. We at Valley appreciate our partnership here with the Gotch farm, and we know that between our local dealer, Mid-Continent Irrigation, the Gotches and us, We know that this is a partnership, and we really appreciate the opportunity to bring this together. And we try to treat this farm no different than we treat every farm across America to ensure maximum productivity.